Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video, we are going to build an application to verify mobile number. This application will be purely based on API call and API response from this server. So let me show you an example what I am talking about, what I am going to cover in this video. Okay. So here is an example. I have already built an application to verify mobile number. Here is a search box. In the search box, we have to provide a valid mobile number and we just have to click the button. Okay. So I am going to provide a valid mobile number and let me check if the mobile number is valid or not. Okay. So I am going to provide a valid mobile number and I am going to click on the button check number now. So we got the response from the server. Carrier is Vodafone, country code is IN, country name is India, country prefix is +91, international format is this, line type is mobile, local format is this, location is Madhya Pradesh, number is this, and valid is true. Okay, so let me check a different mobile number 8369288335. So now again I am going to click on the button check number now. See, we got the response from the server. Carrier is Reliance, country code is IN, country name is India, country prefix is +91, international format is this, line type is mobile, local format is this, location is Mumbai, number is this, and valid is true. So let me say it again. This application will be purely based on API call and API response. Okay. We will send a request to the API server and the server will send us response. Okay, so let's get started. Let's build this awesome application. So guys, I'm requesting you, please be there till last. I'm sure you are going to learn something from this video. Okay, so let's get started. But before starting the video, I would like to request you all guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER and please like all my videos, so that it will motivate me, so that it will give me the confidence to build awesome videos on web development, on web programming. Okay, so guys, let's get started. Before wasting any single minute, I'm going to start the video. Okay, so let me show you which API I am going to use in this video. Okay, here is an API, number verification API. Okay, so you are free to subscribe. After subscribing, you will get an API key and credentials. You are free to use this API in your personal as well as in your professional project. Okay, so let's get started guys. Let's make this awesome API in this video. Just be there. I'm sure you guys will learn something from this video. Okay, so let me go to the code and create a file now. Let me save this file as a number verification .html. Okay, code with ER Prabhat Pandit. Create a div and give it a class as container. Okay, first of all let me include API, CDN link for Bootstrap and CDN link for jQuery. So let me take it from the previous example. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here. So this is a Bootstrap CDN and this is a jQuery CDN. Okay, so give it a class as container, create h2, give it a class as text center, margin top 2 and margin bottom 2. Okay, so close this h2, API to verify mobile number. Okay, so create another div, give it a class as text center w50 and max mx auto. Okay, close this div, create a form, give it a class as number, close this form, create an input field, type as number, class, give it a class as user number, user name, and form control. Placeholder, please enter your valid mobile number. Okay, give it ID as user number. Okay, create a div, give it a class as form group, empty top 3, empty bottom 3, text center. Okay, now close this div, create a button, give it a type as button, give it a class as my btn primary. Okay, give it a ID also, my button, close this button now. Okay, check your number, okay. So let's save this file and open this file in the browser. So as of now we got this, give some margin from the top, margin top 5 and margin bottom 5 also. Okay, let's save the page and refresh the page now. So we are going to use a plain JavaScript in this tutorial. You don't have to worry about the JavaScript, it will be a plain JavaScript. I'm sure you guys will understand it easily. Okay, so I'm requesting you, just be there till last. I'm sure you guys will understand each and everything from this video. Okay, so create a div, give it a class container fluid and empty 5 and empty mb5 also, margin top and margin bottom. Okay, so close this div, create a div, give it a class as a demo table, table hover and table responsive. Okay, close this div now. Here in this div we are going to populate the content by using JavaScript. Okay, so that's why I have created this div. We will populate the content in this div by using JavaScript. Okay, so we are not going to see any changes in the output. Let me refresh the page now. Okay, now I am going to write JavaScript to give this kind of functionality in this file. Okay, so I'm going to write JavaScript, create a script tag, where table document dot query selector. I'm going to select this table, this demo table. Okay, because it is a class, we have to provide dot. If it would have been a id, we would have to provide hash. Okay, so it is a class, we have to provide a dot only. Okay, now where my button, I'm going to grab this button. I'm going to grab this button now. Okay, this button. So document dot query selector, my button, okay. So I'm going to attach on click event on this button. On click equal to, we will run a function. Whenever someone will click on this button, we are going to run a function. Okay, so we have to attach an event on this button. So we are going to attach a function on this button. So where user number, document dot query selector, I'm going to grab this input field now. This input field, I'm going to grab it, okay, through id or class. So hash and this user number. Okay, dot value, I'm going to check if user has inputted mobile number into this input field or not. If it is not, we would alert a message to the user. If they have entered something, then we will work according to the response, according to the data entered by the user. Okay, so if username dot length is equal to empty, or if username dot length is less than 10, okay, because mobile number is of 10 digit, we have to check if it is a valid mobile number or not. So that's why I am going to check it here. Okay, or user number dot length is greater than 10. Okay, so if it is this case, we would alert something to the user. Alert number is empty or wrong. Okay, return false. As of now, just save the code and let's see the output, what if it is a correct one or not. So save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. I'm going to enter nothing and I'm going to click on the button check your number now. See what we will get. See, we are getting an alert, number is empty or wrong. I'm going to provide something. Okay, I'm going to provide something. So I have provided a mobile number and let me click on the button. See, we are getting nothing, means our code is working fine, our code is okay. So we must proceed now. Okay, so in the else part, this button dot inner text will be loading, please wait. Okay, let's save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page and enter mobile number and see if it is working or not. Just paste it here and click on the button now. Loading, please wait. It is working very fine. Okay, so now we have to provide some header where my headers, I'm going to create an object of this header, new equal to headers. I have created an object here. Okay, so I have to copy these two things from this file, this API key, and this URL. Okay, this URL. So my header and my header dot append. Okay, what we will append? We will append our API key. Okay, we will append our API key. So this is my API key. Okay, API key, and we have to provide the API key. Okay, here. So where request options equal to method will be get redirect will be follow, redirect will be follow, and header will be this header. Okay, this header. Close this. So now I'm going to use JavaScript very famous method called fetch API. Okay, so I'm going to use JavaScript fetch method here also. Fetch, and I have to provide this URL here, this URL here, and we have to provide this request option here, which is a header. Header is generally used to provide metadata about the API, about the API call, about the API response. That's why we are using header here. Okay, we are providing the metadata about the API response, which is response and request. We will send the request to the server, and the server will send us response. Okay, regarding to the that response. Okay, that request, I'm sorry. So dot then it will provide a response. I'm using a fat arrow function, response dot json. It will return the data into the JSON format. Okay, it will return the data in the JSON format. Dot then. Okay, now it will provide actual data. Okay, I'm using a fat arrow function here also. First of all, let's console this data. Okay, console.log this data. Let us see what it returns. Okay, I am saving the page, going to the browser, just refresh the page now, and provide a valid mobile number. First of all, let's open your console, go to console and provide a valid mobile number. Okay, I'm going to click on the button check your number now. Loading, wait. It is purely an API call, so it might take some time. We just have to wait for the response. It is taking time. We just have to wait. See, we got the response from the server now. Okay, see, this is the response. Carrier Vodafone, country code IN, country name India, country prefix +91, international format is this, line type is this, location format is this, location Madhya Pradesh, number is this, and valid is true. So our code is working fine. We are getting response from the server also. So let's populate all this information inside a table. Okay, so I'm going to write JavaScript for this JavaScript table. Okay, so now write table. First of all, we have to change this text after the response. Okay, as we have got the response, we should have changed this text also. So my button, copy this and paste it here. So again revert back to the actual text of this button, check your number. So copy this and paste it here. Okay, now I'm going to create a table. Where table, as of now give it nothing. So table equal to table, close this table now. Give it a class also, table bordered. Okay, we are going to populate this table here in this div. Okay, in this div we are going to populate this table. Okay, so create a t head, close this t head, create a table row, close this tr, create th and close this th, copy this th and paste it 6-7 times. Okay, so now if carrier country code country name, country prefix, international format, line type, local format. Copy this, paste one more time, location, and last one is okay, number, and last one is valid. Okay, so line type, local format, location, number, and valid. Okay, now let me create t-body, close this t-body, create tr, close this tr, okay, create a table td, table data, copy this and paste it 8 times. So we are getting, see, I must have refreshed the page. No, it's there. So we will get data dot carrier, then we will get Vodafone Idea Limited, data dot country code, then we will get IN, data dot country prefix, then we will get this one. Okay, so I'm going to use template literal. Okay, so this data dot carrier. Okay, let me copy this and paste it here. Later we will change the value. Okay, as of now country code change to country name, country prefix, international format, line type, local format, and change this to location, change this to number, and paste one more time. Copy this and paste this. So give it a, change this to valid. Okay, so let me comment this out first of all, and let me show you one thing. So we are getting something here, no, here in this object. Okay, so let me console something, console.log. okay, I'm going to paste data dot carrier. Okay, data dot carrier, let me copy this from here. copy this, paste 2-3 times. Let me show you one thing, then only you will understand. Okay, so country code and country name. Okay, let's save this page, go to the browser and refresh the page. Okay, try to insert a valid number. I'm going to click on the button now. We have to wait for a few minutes because it is an API call, so it might take some time. This application is purely based on API call and API response. Okay, loading, please wait. It is taking much time. Why it is taking so much of time? While it is loading, I would like to request you guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please like all my videos. It will help me a lot. It will give me confidence and it will motivate me also. Okay, so please, I'm requesting you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER and please like all my videos. So we got some error. Okay, first of all, let me cut this out and paste it here. Okay, and now save the page and go to the browser and refresh the page. Copy this also, go to the browser, insert, click on the button now. Loading, please wait. I hope this time it works. It should not return any error. This is a free API. You are free to use into your personal project. You just have to subscribe to the API. Then only you will get API key. It is taking much time again. Again it will return an error. I hope it will return something from the server. Why it is taking so much of time? It should not return any error, please. console.log. Let's comment this also. Let's save the page, go to the browser, copy this and refresh the page, go to console, paste it here, click on the button now. We have got some error, so we are trying to resolve this. It is taking again much time. I don't know what it will return this time. I hope it should not return any error now. Loading, please wait. Again it is taking much time. I hope it should return some value. Please don't return any error. Why it is taking so much of time? Okay. I guess I have utilized the number of response. It will give you some response like 50 or 60. I guess I have already used that. Okay, let me check it here. If again, if it will return an error, then we are out of our limit. Let me go to the API and let me sign in. I will check my limit there. Loading, wait. My internet is working fine. Why it is also taking so much of time? Internet is slow or what? Let me refresh this page. Yeah, internet is working fine. Please return something. Okay, I guess I'm out of my limit. I guess I'm out of my limit now. Let me check my limit. Yeah, I am out of my daily limit. Yeah, my internet is working fine. It is working fine. Let me check my daily limit. You know, let me check my daily limit. Okay, I have used my daily limit. Let me again refresh this page, paste this number, click on the button check number now. Let me see if I am getting the same error. If I am getting the same error, which means I am out of my daily limit. Again it is taking time, which means I am out of my daily limit. No, I got something. See, I got something. Okay, so copy this and go to here, refresh this page, and let me uncomment this first. I will show you something. Refresh this page, save this, refresh this page, paste this number here, click on the button, check your number now. See, I got the response. See, I got the response. It is working fine now. See, here data.carrier, okay, which is Reliance Jio. Data.country code, which is IN, okay. Data.country name, which is India, okay. So likewise, copy this and paste it here. So now uncomment this table. It is working fine now. So likewise, the same thing I have done here. Country code, data.country name, the same thing I have done here, okay. So let's move ahead and below this table, give table data, okay. Below this table, dot inner HTML equal to this table. Okay,
Incoming call from Satish K.
this table, and paste it, close this. Okay, so our code is ready. So guys, let's save this page and let's test the page now. I was getting lots of error, so now copy this, refresh this page. Okay, paste the number here again, click on the button, check your number now. Loading, please. Yeah, we got something. See, we got the response like this only, we got here only. Okay, so carrier is Reliance Jio, country code is IN, country name is India, country prefix is +91, international format is this, line type is mobile, local format is this, location is Mumbai, number is this, and valid is true. So now we are getting each and everything perfectly fine. So our code is working fine. Okay, previously we was getting some kind of error, we were getting some kind of issues from the API. It was not our issues, it was not our mistake, it was an API mistake and a server mistake. Okay, that's why we was getting error. So now again check different number. Okay, now click on the button, check your number now. Loading, please wait. Again it is taking time. Yeah, we got the response. Carrier is Vodafone, country code is IN, country name is India, country prefix is +91, international format is this, line type is mobile, local format is this, location is Madhya Pradesh, number is this, and valid is true. Okay, so let me check a different mobile number, 74833678449. I'm going to click on the button, check your number now. Yeah, we got the response. This time we got the response, faster response. Okay, so carrier is Reliance Jio, country code is IN, country name is India, country prefix is +91, international format is this, line type is mobile, local format is this, location is Karnataka, and number is this, valid is true. Okay, so guys, our code is working fine, we got the response now, each and everything is working perfectly fine. So I'm hoping you guys have learned something from this video. If you guys have any kind of query, any kind of doubt, please ask me in the comment section. I will clear all your doubts, I will clear all your queries. So thank you guys for watching this video, and thank you for being there till last. Thank you guys for watching this video. As you all know, my all video is dedicated to someone. Okay, so at last I would like to request you guys, please, if you have learned something from this video, if you have understood anything from this video, please subscribe to my channel Code with ER, and please like all my videos, so that it will motivate me, so that it will push me to create a unique content over the web development courses. Okay, thanks a lot guys, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye bye guys, see you in the next video. Till then,